then you're always making allusion to this, to your company and a pitch deck. And I mean, I still don't even know what a pitch deck is, to tell you the truth. I'm like, what is a pitch deck? What is it that you guys do? And how do you do it?
Yeah. So our company started as a presentation platform. We came up with this artificial intelligence system that replaces the role of the designer in presentation. So if you're doing a PowerPoint, the thing where you will waste the most amount of time is arranging content, arranging the layout, picking a font, picking the colors, and people waste a lot of time with that. So we built a product that focused on solving that part, and we did for the most part. The problem or the challenge we faced was that, going into an established company and replacing the way they do things, meaning PowerPoint, is tough. Google is struggling to do that, and they're probably the one closest to doing that with their Office or the Google Docs suite. So we decided to refocus our efforts into startups. Why? Because startups are building this pitch deck, which is their presentation for investors, summary of their company. It's tough. You have to write a lot of content. You have to iterate a lot of times. It needs to look its best because in the end, it's the first glimpse of the company that an investor will see. So people are willing to spend more time, to spend more money even on these presentations compared to the average presentation that people will make. And that's what we help them do.